In this video, we are going to take a look at the SmallRig $29.99 camera cage. This cage is advertised as only for the Sony A7S III, but I've been using it on my A7 IV with no problems. A cage is a great way to attach accessories to your camera to provide more protection against drops and to allow you to shoot vertically by putting a tripod plate on the side. To use the cage, loosely tighten the bottom screw to your camera and then use the small Allen screw through the right camera strap hole and loosely tighten it. Then tighten the bottom and side screw down all the way so the camera is in solid and snug. The cage has a variety of mounting points so you can attach things like a monitor, top handles, side handles, follow focus, and microphones. It also allows you to attach a special bracket that lets it use the Sony XLR handle adapter. The $29.99 features a magnetic tool that snaps into the bottom of the cage for a screwdriver and Allen wrench, as well as several strap mounting points for wrist straps or shoulder straps. I've been using this with my A7 IV fine with no problems for a few months now. It also fits the Sony A7III and A7R III just fine, but the side twist screws don't fit properly for those cameras. Overall, I highly recommend the SmallRig cage, $29.99 for Sony. It's a great way to start building out your camera rig to allow for more accessories and mounting options. Thanks for watching this video. I have links for all the products shown in this video in the description below. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos.